Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your POCO M8 Pro. So first what are we gonna do is we're gonna turn off Bluetooth off and on. So go over to settings, now tap on Bluetooth and tap on the switch right up top here. So now our Bluetooth is disabled. Now we can enable it back, and as you guys can see here I have my headphones saved. So if they are not connecting, then just click on the arrow right here and then click on Unpair. Now this way our devices are not here. Now we want to double tap. For me it's double tap. Now it's refreshing, so it's searching for available devices, and let's tap refresh again. So here I got them. Now they are pairing, and we can tap on pair, and now they are connected. So whenever I close the case, then they won't be, but now they're connected. If that did not help you, then what you guys can do is restart the phone and the Bluetooth device. So let's press the power button and the volume up button here, and now swipe down to reboot it. Now for the Bluetooth device, it's totally different. For AirPods 3 Pros, then what you guys want to do is just double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, and that will basically reset it. But I won't reset them since I know they are good and they are connecting. Now for the phone, we wait for it to restart, so I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is, as a last resort, update your software to fix any connectivity glitches. So go over to the settings. Now in those settings, what you guys want to do is click about phone right up top here, and then click on the top. So now it's checking for updates. As you guys can see, I have no updates available, so that means I am running the latest version. But if you do have a button to download and install the newer version, make sure to do that, because it can fix a lot of glitches, including this one. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.